Hello and welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. My name is Nyla and today I'm showing you a 1981 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a two-door coupe automatic transmission and it does have removable T-tops. The color on this is actually called a Graphite Grey, but it does look black. Very nice paint job, super shiny. It's got a black interior. These T-tops are really cool too. They're tinted like a mirror tint. Pretty cool, so it keeps the heat out, but you can still see out and they're nice and clear, so it gives a lot of natural sunlight still. But the nice tint. We got the nice black interior, bucket seats. Looks all original. Been very well taken care of. And as always, I'm going to follow it up with a video of the engine bay. We'll take it for a spin and then we'll take a look at the underneath. Stay tuned. Alrighty, inside the 81, we're gonna take it down the road, test it out, see how the handling is. You can see I have the T-tops. They're not off, but it does, feels like you're almost in a convertible. But it's nice because, like I said, they are tinted. Take this dip in the road here. Love the way Corvettes handle. Super tight steering. See the brakes. Brakes are nice and strong, nice and smooth. Take it on the road here, let it go through the gears once. Transmission feels real good. Super solid Corvette. All right, I'm gonna swing it around. We're gonna get up on the hoist and we'll take a look at the underneath.